Today, I'm going to talk about in this HTML5, and HTML5 is the updated version. And if you know that, if you want to know what is the HTML means an hypertext markup language, and HTML really is very essential when you want to be web developer, web designer. And also, if you want to learn programming, then this is the first method to learn to start programming or coding or app developer or web developer. So this is the markup language. You have to know that. HTML was also used to create a structure of any website or of any web page. Same is also true with the HTML5. This is the markup language is very popular for the developing web page, and this is the HTML5 logo. This is the HTML4 logo. We use the HTML5 function here. And why HTML5 is needed? Some reasons why we need to learn HTML5. Number one that some reasons. A new and sensible tagging strategy we can follow. We can apply, and instead of bounding lots of multimedia into object or embed tags, and also you can video goes in video tags, audio goes in audio tags, and so on. Lots of facilities, lots of features you will find in HTML5. And another one is very popular for the rich animation. You don't need to any plugin, just you have to know perfectly HTML5. And you can also make lots of animation. And with this one, and you can also get more text and elements, and using which you can create more meaningful web pages. Now, I'll see you in the next time, and see you next video in my first web page, how to create this one.